guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today with a car which surprisingly I have never filmed or experienced at all ever. This is the infamous F80 M3, arguably one of the best generations of M3 after the E92 of course. It's running around the 850 brake mark thanks to a set of pure Stage 2 pluses. It's an absolute machine and of course it is daily driven as well, which makes it infinitely cool. Now what we'll do in usual fashion in these kind of videos, I'll introduce you to Max, the owner of the car. We'll walk around it, have a look basically what he's done, and then we'll go out for a little drive. But yeah, 850 brake in an F80 M3. This thing is gonna be wild. Okay, so we're joined now with Max, the owner. Mate, good to see you.
Good to see you too.
We've been wanting to film this for a little while, haven't we?
Yeah.
In fact, when we had your when you had your 140, I wanted to do something, but
that's it,
that was a machine. That was a machine.
Was
but obviously, onto bigger and better things.
That's
F80 M3.
Yeah.
A lot of work you've done to this.
Yeah, hell of a lot.
Especially under the bonnet, which is obviously where we're starting. So yeah, if it's all right, give us a bit of a walk around.
Yeah. So it's running the pure Stage 2 Plus hybrid turbos, charge pipes.
Yeah.
It's got the cooling mist port methanol injection. It's got a fully forged bottom end.
Okay.
With a port and polished head with Supertech valve springs. Yeah, I'm running standard intakes with standard filters as well.
Standard charge cooler as well.
Standard charge cooler, standard rads. That's it really under here.
From a quick glance, it doesn't look mad.
It's just a basic S55.
But it is pretty mad in terms of power.
Yeah, when it's on the road, it goes well, to be fair.
Yeah,
really well.
You've obviously got the goal of 1,000.
Yeah, I aim for 1,000.
Yeah.
Which maybe we'll see one day.
You're not far off, to be fair.
Not far.
Around the 800, 850 at the moment, which is solid for essentially
100%.
a saloon car.
And on 99 and meth isn't bad. When we chuck some ethanol in there, hopefully we'll push around maybe 950 to 1,000.
It's all about the fueling, isn't it?
Yeah, fueling is key here. Absolutely. And low intake temps.
So you're saying you're running port meth, and then you've got a couple in the charge pipes as well.
That's it, 2 in the charge pipes and then 6 in the intake.
And then what, tank in the boot, the usual stuff.
That's it,
exactly.
Stealth tank.
It's a cool looking car though. I've always loved the F80s and it's kind of weird how it's taken me this long to film one.
It's been too long.
But obviously loving these Apex wheels. Yeah. These are stunning.
That's it, they're 10Js on the front.
10Js on the front?
10Js on the front,
Crikey. Cup 2s on there as well. Awesome. What are you running on the back as well?
11J rears with 305 Cup 2s.
305s. I mean, look at that. That is snug. Very snug. Exhaust wise?
Exhaust wise, it is AA mid pipe, just a single mid pipe.
Yeah.
With a set of decats and a standard back box.
Okay.
So I can turn on and off the valves to make it quiet and nice and loud.
Because this is still daily, isn't it?
Yeah, this is my daily. I drive this to work daily.
Yeah. I mean, that is cool.
Yeah.
Do you like switch the maps or anything? Do you run the full?
No, I run the full shebang every day.
Love that. I mean, you must drink through some fuel.
Oh yeah.
How does it compare to the 140 that you had before? Because that was what,
it's more handling, I'd say.
Okay.
It's like it sticks to the road. It feels splum on the road, real nice.
Yeah,
whereas the 140 was really boaty.
Oh yeah,
really boaty. Whereas this is just planted.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, this lights the wheels up just like any other.
Yeah, true. Even on 305s.
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably a natural progression, isn't it, from 140 to M3?
Yeah, it is.
Most people do. That's for sure. But yeah, wicked. I mean, to be honest, for the power, you don't have to do that much. I suppose, do you?
No, you can run a safe 720 to 750 on a stock block.
Wow. With
the same sort of setup as mine. I mean, it's just pure Stage 2 pluses, like I say. Yeah.
Fair enough. The magic turbos. Yeah. But anyway, if that's pretty much everything, I think we should get this thing fired up and let's go hopefully get some grip on the roads.
Let's go for it.
Let's do it.
Lovely.
Oh my God, that was insane. That is lively, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you can just play with it.
Just play.
That's mental. That's relentless. It's absolutely relentless. There's no tailing off either.
It does stay straight, to be fair. Obviously it goes, get the little flick and whatnot, but it's normally really controlled.
Yeah. And that's 305s and they're spinning up like that.
305s, yeah.
And it's so comfy as well.
Yeah. it's just on, what's it on? H&R springs.
Yeah.
So the adaptive suspension.
No spaces with the Apex, is that?
I've got 5mm spacers on the front.
Yeah.
I have got 5mm spacers for the rear, but I haven't put those on yet. I've had them on before, but it's very close.
Yeah, it's close anyway.
Yeah.
Very close.
Yeah.
Is the gearbox all stock as well?
Yeah, so everything in the gearbox is stock. I'm on stock clutches, which are starting to slip.
Okay.
I have a gearbox tune by HampshirePhoto, which is a stage 3.
Yeah.
Which is holding up quite well, but I am on the Men Foursome clutches.
Yeah.
SSPs.
That's next, is it?
That's next.
Yeah.
Get those fitted.
So obviously clutches are next. Is there anything else?
Clutches are next, and then I'd like to do high pressure fuel pumps, Dorch high pressure fuel pumps. Maybe in the distant future, maybe a single turbo. Who knows?
Yeah, who knows?
Who knows?
Yeah, because you can just crank those up like that.
Oh yeah.
And it completely changes the car because it sounds different.
Yeah, the sound
feels different, I imagine.
Yeah.
As well. It just lights them up big time. Oh, I bet this is fun to daily, isn't it?
I love it. Can't beat it.
Yeah, I can imagine. Was that 4th?
Yeah, that's 4.
You can hear the turbos.
I know, they are loud.
You don't really have induction noise because obviously you're running this stock induction.
That's it, yeah.
You don't need to when you can just hear the turbos.
when you can hear those turbos spinning.
Yeah. It's a mental car, and it's still so usable. I can't get over how
you just
usable it is.
Chuck it into M1 and it's your normal daily now.
I always say this with modern cars, like it's mad how much you can change them just by switching maps or putting them into standard modes. Like it makes them so appealing.
Yeah.
For people like us who like daily drive them, drive them a lot. And the meth that's on it, by the way, is that dependent all the time?
Yeah, it is meth dependent, to be fair, yeah. It's always pumping.
Mix, or is it?
100%.
Yeah.
Pure meth. I think it comes in about 5 PSI.
On idle then?
Yeah, literally. And start spraying about 20, I think, 20 PSI on full spray.
Yeah, yeah. There's just no lag either.
No.
It's just like, floor it, you're there.
Yeah, and you're gone.
And the tone of the exhaust is so nice as well.
Yeah, it sounds really nice. Like I say, I like the pops and bangs. They're not too much.
Yeah.
Maybe you get a bang now and again, but nothing too crazy.
Nice big flame out the back.
Yeah, big flame out the back.
So is it stock back box?
Yeah, stock back box with the valves.
Yeah.
Just single mid pipe. That's it, really.
That's not bad. I mean, to be fair, you've like extracted so much power from, still doing a lot. Yeah. But not, in terms of bolt-ons, not doing loads.
No, yeah, it's just turbos, crank hub. Don't forget about the crank hub.
Yeah, I mean, you need that if you're just going to run stock power, don't you?
100%.
Yeah, that's the one thing with these, isn't it?
Slipping the chain.
Was that literally the first thing you did?
Yeah, that was my first modification.
Yeah. So these you bought stock, by the way, didn't you?
Yeah, completely stock. Nothing done at all. Not even a stage 1. So stock power is a big jump from the 140. That's for sure.
Yeah, because I mean, probably people watching this will know of your old 140.
Yeah.
That was a serious thing. That was probably one of the inspirations for mine, because I always knew eventually I was going to go stage 3.
Yeah.
Was yours pure?
Yeah, pure 800, yeah.
I love it. It's so cool.
It just doesn't get boring.
No.
You just can't get bored of this car.
Oh, that was a biggie. That was a flame.
Big. That was definitely a flame. 100%. Top of 4th, and it still wants to spin.
Still wants to spin out. Well, mate, thank you very much for taking me out.
No problem, mate.
First experience in an F80 M3, and it's one as mad as this.
Yeah? Good. Glad you enjoyed
awesome fun. But I think that's probably going to wrap things up for me today. I mean, just how it puts down the power when it puts down.
Yeah, when it gets grip.
It's like straight there. There. But yeah, dude, thank you so much. And like all these videos, you can of course find Max's Instagram link down in the description down below. But yeah, like I said, that is it from me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure to subscribe for all the adventures still to come.